So students, in previous class we have discussed about Indian place value chart. In that 3 problems are completed, no? Means 3 examples are completed. I have given you last two for your homework, no? So let us discuss from there. So what is that? Number. I said to try last 2 examples in that table, okay? In Indian place value chart, page number 74. Okay. So I don't know whether you have tried or not. I am saying you those 2 examples now. So what is the number? Last number. So here you are having 3 and 6 zeros. Okay. First digit is 3, then you are having 6 zeros. So we don't know the number, okay? So let us see. Here you have hundreds, tens, ones, 10,000s, thousands, and here 10 lakhs, lakhs, okay? So let us try to understand about that, how to arrange this number, okay? Here you are having 6 zeros and 1 digit is 3, so you are having total 7 digits, no? So you have to start just a minute. So you have to start writing from 0, because you have to arrange it under the periods, no? So you have to start from 0, 0, 0, 3 zeros completed, 0, 0, 0, 3 zeros completed, 6 zeros completed, last one is 3. So what is the number? 30 lakhs is the number, okay? So what is the number name? 30 lakhs, 30 lakh, okay? So this number, how can you write it in Indian form? You have to separate it with commas, no? So you have to separate all periods, okay? So you have to write it in Indian form. This is about Indian chart, no? Indian place value chart. Okay. So we are talking about last 2 examples, no? So in Indian place value chart, so ones period will have 3 place values, no? So after these 3 place values, put 1 comma. So thousands period will have 2 place values. So after two digits, put 1 comma. Okay. So 10 lakhs will have 2 place values. So that is enough. Okay. If one more digit is there, you have to put comma here. Suppose here 7 is there, you have to put comma here. Here nothing is there, no? So you have to remain it like that only. Okay. So what is the number? 30 lakh is the number. Clear? So next one. 28 40089 40089. So you have to start writing from the right to left. From last number you have to start writing. So 9 8 0, this is 0 again, okay, 4 8 2. What is the answer? 28 lakh 40,089. 28 lakh 40,000 89. $28 lakh 40,000 89. So okay. So here in ones period you are having 3 place values, no? After 3 place values, from right to left you have to keep 1 comma. So in thousands period you are having 2 place values, keep 1 comma here. So next you will have 2. 28 lakh 40,089 is the answer. Okay. So like this you have to understand this is Indian place value system. So now we are going to discuss about international place value system examples. Okay, that is given in your page number 75. Page number 75. Okay, international place value chart. International place value chart. So here each period will have 3 place values. So Indian system is having ones period is having 3 place values, and thousands period is having 2 place values, lakhs period is having 2 place values. No, but in this international place value chart you are having every period is having 3 place values. So you have to put comma after 3 digits. After every 3 digits from right to left you have to put one comma. Okay, so like that you are separating every period. Why you are putting comma? Because you are separating every period so that you can write the number name very easily. Okay, so let us start this international place value chart. Number, next one is millions, next one is thousands, next one is ones, next is number name, next is written as. Okay, so in ones period you are having hundreds, tens, ones. This is one thing. In thousands also you will have 100,000s, 10,000s. Is it clear? You are representing with HT, I think. Okay, HT. Yes, clear. HTH, TTH and TH. 1000s means 1000 only, no? So like that you are going to represent. Okay, HTO. This is ones period. Okay, number name, just a minute, number name. Okay, so let us discuss about it. Here 100 million, 10 million, okay, million, 10 million, 100 million. Like this you have to understand. Okay, so what is the number? First number, what is that? 6372. 6372. So we have to put this under the periods, under the place values we have to arrange so that we can write the number name. Okay, so we have to start from last. Here 2, next you are having 7. Always you have to start writing from last number. Okay, from once right to left you have to start writing from last number. Why? If you do like this only you will get the number name. Okay, you can know under which period which digit is there, under which place value which digit is there, so that you can write the number name. Next is 3. Okay, next is 6. 6,370. 6,372 is the number. Okay, how can you separate this? 6372 is there, no? 6372 is there. So after 3 digits put one comma. Okay, so that is 6372. Next number 878018. 878018. Okay, so how can you write this under the periods? So starting from 8, next number is 1. You have to start writing from right to left. Okay, you have to start from last number to arrange under the periods. Okay, next one is 0, okay, next one is 8, next one is 7, next one is 8 again, okay. So we have arranged this. So what is the number name? 878,000 878. Observe carefully what I am saying, what is there in the book, okay. If you listen this carefully, once again you can revise that. So listen to my lecture carefully, okay. 878,018, okay. So this is the number. So let us separate it. 878018, okay. So after every three digits you have to put one comma from right to left, no, 1 2 3 comma 878018, okay. That is the, so this one is first 6372, next is 878,018, okay. So this one is this one, this one is this one, okay. Don't confuse, okay. Next one is, next is what number? 7002501. 7002501. So you have to start arranging from the last digit. 1 0 5 2 0 0, okay. After this what you will get? Millions. 7, okay. 7 millions 7 millions 2000s 501. 7,02,501, okay. So this is the number name. How it can be written as? So this number, I am writing this number. You have to write this in International Place Value System, no? 1 2 3 after 3 digits comma 1 2 3 after 3 digits 1 comma. So 7,02,501, okay. So like this you have to understand and write. Clear? So next numbers we have to understand, no? So let us understand about the next two examples, okay. Just a minute. So next number is what? 92,38016. So if you want to arrange this under the periods and place values, what you have to do? You have to start writing the last digit from ones place, okay. 6 1 0 8 3 2 9 9238016, okay. So what is the number name? 9 million 9 millions 238,000 . 16. Okay, so 9,238,016. This is a number name. How can you write this in international place value chart system? So what I said, from right to left, after every 3 digits you have to put one comma. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. So this is the way of writing it under the international place value chart. Next number. What is the next number? 4 0 0 0 0 0. So 6 zeros and 1 4. Okay, so you have to start writing under the period. Okay, so starting from ones place, 0 0 0, 3 completed, 0 0 0, 3 completed, 4. Okay, so I am writing the number name here. 4 million. That's all. 4 millions is only the answer, because you are having all zeros only, no? So 4 millions is the answer. Okay, no need of writing S here. Okay, should not write S, because there is one rule. After writing the period name, you should write in the singular name, singular form only, not plural form. Okay, so if you want to separate according to the international system, so after 3 digits comma, after 3 digits comma, so 4 million is the answer. Okay, like that you have to write it under the international place value chart. With this we have completed the discussing about international place value chart and its examples. Okay, so next we will continue with this next bit. What is that? So here one more question is there for you. So for the purpose of learning, in this book we will follow the Indian place value system. In this book, in your textbook, we will follow Indian place value system only. Okay, so here one more question is there. Write in pink color box in page number 75, write 657 8432 in Indian and international place value systems. In Indian and international place value systems. Okay, write this one in international and Indian place value systems. So you have to separate it with commas in Indian place value system and in international place value system, and you have to write the number name in Indian place value system and international place value system. So this is for your homework. Actually you have to do that. For some questions I am telling the answer. Okay, you have to do this and check, okay, whether you are doing correct or not. That is for your homework. Clear? So we will enter into the exercise 1.2. What is the first question? Write the first bit. Write the following numbers in the Indian place value chart given below. Very easy. He has only given the chart, just you have to fill the numbers. Write the following numbers in Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart given below. Clear? You have to write it in Indian place value chart. So what is that first one? Number. This is the table I am writing. Next, lakhs. In lakhs you are having 10 lakhs and lakhs. Clear? Next you are having thousands. Thousands. Next you are having ones, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, so let us see the first number. What is that? You have to arrange them under the place values. Okay, 63789, 63,789. So you have to arrange here. So what I said, from the last digit you have to arrange. This last digit should come from ones place, you have to arrange. So last digit should be under the ones digit, next should be under 100 tens digit, like that. So from last digit you have to start arranging from the ones place. Okay, so 9, under ones place you are having 9, 8, okay, 7, next 3, next 6, 63,789 is the answer. Okay, next B. Okay, B is what? So let me write this up. Okay, just a minute. So first bit, what you have to do, you have to write in the chart, no? So heading you have seen. So let me write here number, lakhs, thousands, lakhs, thousands, ones. In this ones you will have hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, in thousands you will have 10,000s, thousands. In lakhs we will have 10 lakhs, lakhs. So first one is completed. First one is what? 63789. Okay, so start writing from the ones place. Last number should be starting from the ones place. Okay, so you have to start from right to left. No, right to left you have to start writing like this, right to left. So if you write from right to left, so your last number will be in ones place. No, so from ones place your last digit should be there. Okay, 9, this is 9, next one is 8, this is 7, this is 3, this is 6, 63,789 is the number. Next B, 700,184. So 4 should be in ones place, next 8, next 1, next 0, 0, 7. You have to start filling from the ones place. Okay, last digit should be filled from ones place, like that. You have to come from right to left, you have to start filling. Okay, next C, 317042. So 2 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, 7 is in thousands place, 1 in 10,000s place, 3 in lakhs place. Okay, D. Next one, D, 8463921. 8463921. So 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place, 3 is in thousands place, 6 is in 10,000s place, 4 in lakhs place, 8 in 10 lakhs place. Okay, 8 is in 10 lakhs place. Okay, 8463921 is the answer. Okay, so next one, last one is there, no? So that is for your homework. E you should write. I have said 4. Last one you have to do for your homework. Okay, so with this you have completed the first bit. Let us go to the second bit. You have to write the following numbers in international form, international place value chart. Write the following numbers in international place value chart. Clear? International place value chart you have to write. This is number, millions, thousands, hundreds, sorry, thousands, millions, thousands, ones. Okay, so in millions we'll have million, 100 million, 10 million, million. Here we'll have 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands. In ones we will have hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, clear? So here he gave only millions. For you up to millions is only enough, I think. So he gave up to millions only. First number is 378921. So start from here, 1 2 1 2 9, 3 digits completed, 8 7 3, 2 digits, first period completed, second period is completed. So like that you have to arrange. Okay, 6 0 0 0 0. Okay, so start from here, 0 0 0 0 0 6. Okay, so like that you have to fill. Clear? So I have said 2 no. So next 3 is for your homework. Clear? Next 3 A and B I said, next 3 are your homework. You have to do them and check whether you did correct or not. Clear? So with this we have completed the second bit also. If I say everything you will not learn. Okay, I should give some homework to you, then you have to check yourself whether you are doing correct or not. In next class I will say the answers. Okay, don't worry about that. So with this we have completed the class. Clear? Thank you.